Good morning, grade 3. I welcome you to a new social studies lesson, and today we are going to read lesson 2, our country's geography. Alright, so let's begin reading. Lesson 2, our country's geography. All places on earth have features that make them special. Some of these are physical features. Let's look at the definition of physical features. Physical features include land, water, climate, and plant life. Now I want you to focus on this vocabulary as we read this lesson. We'll begin looking at the land features first. You can describe a place by listing its physical features. Many communities have both land and water features. This is the Appalachian Mountains, and this mountain range can be found in eastern United States. This is a closer view of the same page. You can pause this video and you can read it. Let's look at different landforms. Let's have a closer view. The United States is a large country with many kinds of landforms. A large area of plain called the Great Plains stretches across the middle of our country. Often plains lie along a coast. The coastal plain stretches along the Atlantic Ocean and along the Gulf of Mexico. Like other landforms, mountains can be different shapes and sizes. There are many mountain ranges in the United States. Let's look at the definition of a mountain range. A mountain range is a chain of mountains. The Appalachian Mountains in the eastern United States are low and rounded. The Rocky Mountains in the west are tall and sharply pointed. Other landforms include valleys and plateaus. A valley is a low area of land that lies between hill or mountains. A plateau is a landform with steep sides that rise to a flat top. So you should be able to define these landforms. And if you're given blanks or choose the correct answer, you should be able to read the definition and recognize what landform belongs where. And over here in this picture, you can see that people are hiking and enjoying the natural landscape. Now, as we go along, please remember to focus on the main idea and details in each paragraph that you read on each page. Great. Now, on this page, we're going to look at water, because water is also a geographical feature. Let's have a closer view. Water everywhere. You can see there's a waterfall here and Tenerife. Bodies of water are another kind of physical feature. The largest bodies of water are the oceans, which cover more than half of the earth. All ocean water is salty. On the continents are many smaller bodies of water, such as lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. Most of these contain fresh water or water that is not salty. Fresh water, after it is treated, is the kind of water we drink and use in our homes. So you should know the types of water bodies. Ocean is the largest, and then on the continents you have lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. This is an example where you can see wetlands, a river flowing. This is the Gulf, the island, waterfall, lake, and right here squeezed between this island and this land is a channel. So you should be able to label a drawing, if given, with the appropriate names of the type of water bodies. Now let's have a look at lakes and rivers. The United States has many bodies of fresh water. The Great Lakes are a chain of giant lakes located in the northeastern United States, along the border with Canada. Together they form the largest group of freshwater lakes in the world. The Mississippi River flows from Minnesota to the Gulf of Mexico. Many other rivers, such as the Ohio River, flow into the Mississippi River. Many communities are built near bodies of water. You might describe your community as being near an ocean, a lake, or a river. Some communities are located on an island, land that has water on all sides. Now we do know that Qatar is located near the Arabian Sea, so we're located near an ocean. And here in this picture you can see a lake. That's a stream coming down all the way from the mountains. This is a delta, and this right here is the bay. Perfect. All right, so that's it for today, grade 3. In the next lesson, we're going to look at the other half of the same lesson. So best of luck, grade 3.